Hello guys, this is Heidi Trade this week. Happy Sunday. This is earning week, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and welcome to my channel, guys. So go ahead and welcome to my channel this week. I'm gonna talk about a few stocks that I'll be watching this week. We have some great company coming up this week, like Amazon, Meta, SoFi. We also have Microsoft, Amazon, ExxonMobil. The list goes on. So we have Wood, PayPal. So this week is some really great name, but I'll just only be watching a few of them, and I'm going to go ahead and show you a breakdown of some of the companies and that I'll be watching this week. So first, we're going to go ahead and have Microsoft. You can check the earning. Microsoft has the earning on Wednesday after close on Wednesday 29 after close. So let's go ahead and talk about Microsoft. So Microsoft closed at 381. So I do have few levels here that I have aligned for Microsoft. So if we do hold around this 381 level, I see that we could break lower and probably see a three, probably around the 375 level. Okay, so it keep going around this 375 level, but let's say that he break lower than the 375. I'm targeting the 372. Anything lower, probably I wouldn't say all the way to a 360, but I will target all the way to a 65 level with Microsoft right now. That's what I have. All right, so that's what I have as my level here. So I kind of see a bounce. This level right down here around the 373, 375 level. Kind of think that we should be watchful around that area, but anything lower than that, definitively gonna go to the 370 and probably lower. Okay, I have a target up to 365. Let's say it doesn't go lower, right, guys? And we hold on the 380. I'm gonna go ahead and target it all the way. I have a target all the way to the 385. I want it to break that 385 level, and probably we can see the 388, probably close to 390 level. Any to higher than that, probably you can see a 395 level, or probably see is high all the way here. Okay, so that's what I have for Microsoft. My next stock will be Meta. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and all right, guys, so Meta 595 level, 595.19. Anything go, it's actually lower than the 600 already, but if you go lower than that, we I say just keep going. Okay, so if you just keep going at this rate, we're probably gonna see Meta around the 560 level. I will target the 580 at this point first and see, because passing the 590 at this point, we could see a 580. So I will be checking and see if we can see here I have my level all the way to the 580 level, actually around the 580. Yeah, so my level is on 580, lower than that 585 level that I was targeting, but 580 will be my next level. I mean, anything lower than that, I definitively can see it going probably lower. I don't want to say it's gonna hit the 550, but I want to say lower than the 580. Let's see if it's gonna go to 570 level. So that's probably a target that I see here. Anything high, lower, Meta move fast. So we can see, like, let's target first to 580 and then probably 570 level. Okay, so the next stock that I will be watching will be Amazon. I haven't been looking at Amazon, but I will be. Amazon have their earning on Thursday after close, July the 30th. That's when Amazon will be reporting. All right, guys. So this is Amazon. Next, I have Amazon here. All right, the stock keep going down. We have this lower low here, lower low, and then we also have this low here going up. Now we are trading around the 230 level. I want to say they're creating a kind of demand around this area. So for Amazon, it has to break lower than the 225. Like anything lower than 225, I could say we probably can target it probably up to 215. But I will be watchful to say let's see if it's gonna break lower than the 225 first. That's all I see on Amazon. If it doesn't break lower and then hold, we could see Amazon probably going back to around probably 237, 239 level. That's what I have for Amazon right down here. Okay. So my analysis is not really much on Amazon. I'm just looking at it. I'm not sure exactly. I'm saying, okay, so if you break this level, I want to make sure that it's going lower than this candle right here. And then, but let's say it does hold around the 232, probably gonna push um, probably higher than a 2, um, probably around 230, 37 to 39 level. Okay, so those are the level that I have for Amazon. All right, guys, next right here we have ExxonMobil. I will be looking at ExxonMobil coming up this week. Definitively, seems like we have a little bit of this overbought here. So let's see if we're not gonna have a rejection right here, and probably go lower on ExxonMobil. Can see that it could have the rejection, but let's see if it's going to break a 152 level, guys. Is it going to break this 152 level and then break probably lower? I kind of like the chart for ExxonMobil, so I will be watching it and see if I mean I like kind of like the level of 152. Yeah. So let's see if it's going to break this 150. Okay, actually 154 level all the way to this 151, 152 um, level. So let's see if it's going to break it, guys. 162. Anything lower than that, let me see. All right, guys. So like the chart, we lose overbought here. But let's see if we're going to break and hold around the 154, 155 level. And I have my level lowered up to 151. It could go lower than that, probably up to a 147 level. So those are the different level here, probably that we may have for ExxonMobil. But let's say it does hold, right, guys? So what if it hold and doesn't break? Kind of short is overbought, so I'll be looking for a downside right here. Have an overbought right down here, guys. Okay. Um, yeah, those are the stock that I'll be watching. Okay, guys, so let me go ahead and look at SPY. All right, guys, so this is SPY. We closed at 738 last time, so I want to see if continue on the downtrend. Spike will see 735 again and up to 732. Those are my level that I have here, up to 732 if we keep going on the lower side. But if we do hold on to 38 and we break above, we could see a 744 level, and that's what I have for SPY. Okay. This is level up to 732, but first let's see if it's going to hold a 735 level and break lower, or upper level we probably going to go back up, and my level is 744. Okay, guys, this is Raby's trade. Those are the level that I have for this Sunday. Comment below, let me know what you're watching this week. Until next time.